नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं इंडस फूड एग्जीबिशन में जो कि हो रही है इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट ग्रेटर नोएडा में। इस एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है ट्रेड प्रमोशन काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया ने। हाय, वेलकम टू इंडस फूड। हाउ इज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस विद इंडस फूड सो फार?
Very good, ma'am. We get to connect with the people from the industry, so it's always been good. We've been exhibiting since 3 years now, and we've always had a good experience.
And tell me something about your product range.
So, ma'am, we do everything which is made out of sugarcane. We do various kinds of sugars. We do jaggery, jaggery powder. Then we do snacks, healthy snacks. We aim to replace the deadly white sugar with more natural forms of sweeteners. So that is our theme of the company.
And what all the products that are in pipeline and what are your plans for future plans?
So, ma'am, we keep R&Ding on new products. Obviously, sugar and various kinds of sugars they behave differently. So, one has to do a lot of R&D, do trials, errors. So we have been working, ma'am. Right now, we have about 100 products in our portfolio, and we've been working on 20, 30 more products. And the products, maybe next Indus exhibition, you will see the new products.
And in your opinion, how these kinds of events are important for food processing industry?
Very important, ma'am, because it's like let's say it's like a shop for us. I mean, to get the connect, the feedback. It is not only important for business development, but also to get feedback from the existing buyers. It's easier to meet everyone at one place. All the importers abroad, if they are working with 10 buyers in India, they don't have to run from one office to the other. They can meet everyone at one place. So it's a common platform, as you're saying. So very important.